Good morning, Stanwood Middle School. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. I'm Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. Happy Monday, y'all! Let's make it a great day and week. Here are your weekly, daily, hourly, if needed, reminders. Check your email, check your Class of Google Classroom, do the daily check-in, watch these announcements, check your other Google Classrooms, and get to work. Today is periods 1, 3, and 5. First period starts at 11:15, third period starts at 12:15, fifth period starts at 1:15. Our kindness challenge for day 8 continues the streak of great ideas. This time around, think of a present you received from an extended family member. If you can, video call them, or just call them, and let them know how much you appreciate it and use it still. It's like an extended thank you note, and kindness is awesome. Happy birthday today to Aurora B, Sarah E, and Tristan M. You didn't make my slide. Holy guacamole, buddy. I'm sorry. I owe you one. Today, Spartans, I want to go over the basics of how to send an email. Listen, I love to talk and write, but if there's one thing I've learned in the past 6 months is that when you send an email, there is a recipe to make sure it gets the job done. First, in the subject line, use 2 or 3 words. Next, start with a greeting or salutation to the person you are emailing. Step 3 is to get to the point with the most important details to ask for or explain what you need to say. Step 4 is to have what they call in the biz a complimentary closing, so you show politeness and appreciation. Finally, sign your name. Which leads us into our daily reminder. Communicate all the time. Don't forget to let us know what you need. We can't help if we don't know. How are you doing on the character dare? It's been 3 days since we last talked about it. Did you find something every day over the weekend to see in a positive light? One of the things that I have found in a positive light was distance learning. Even though the struggle is real, y'all, I do find that we can make connections, learn, and even have fun from a distance. And finally, Spartans, here are your words of wisdom for the day. Plato is considered one of the greatest philosophers of Western culture. In 397 BC, he founded the first university in the history of Europe. It's also probably fair to say that Plato understood a great deal about the importance of education. Listen to his words to you today. The direction in which education starts a person will determine his or her future life. Today, ask yourself this: in which direction am I headed with my education? Am I studying hard? Am I doing my best? Am I going to my meets? Am I turning in my work? Am I communicating what I need to my teachers and to the office? Am I preparing myself for a successful future? Then remember what Plato says. The choices you make today about your education will determine your future. How's that for some inspiration? With something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your morning announcements. Make it a great Monday, y'all.